This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, external shower, LP detector, CO detector, oven, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, water heater, skylight, smoke detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is 7,864 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.